Hi there. In this quick video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create a personal account on BrandDrive. Ready to enter a world of better financial management? Let's get started. After downloading the BrandDrive app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, next step is to sign up. Enter your first name, last name, username, your personal email, enter your password, and confirm your password. If a friend referred you, you can input your referral code. If not, proceed. Well done. You have successfully created a personal account on BrandDrive. Now, continue to personal dashboard. This last step is important. You can create a personal wallet so you can perform transactions. On the top of your screen, select Open Wallet Account, fill in the information as required. All done. Now you can use BrandDrive to manage your personal finances. In our next video, we'll be walking you through on how to create a business account on BrandDrive.